Hello, this is Vince, Sniper Day Trading. This is Wednesday's market, July 7th, and this was the pre-market. You can see signal long here. We have an add-on long here. Some nice add-on trades in here, and this was coming in from yesterday's, the end of yesterday's close. You can see the nice change of direction here as well. That would have been right up in here. Actually, let me just go back. Go back and show you yesterday's market too. Go back to, that was the weekend trading. You can see the last signal there. Night trading long, just right in there. That took us all the way up into here. Secondary signal. This market was really strong, so you could have skipped the short trade and just stay with the long trade. There's a nice entry here. Skip the short trade, stay with the long trade. Nice move here. Even if you did take the short trade for, you know, a point and or more, you'd pick up something like that in both of those. But again, same thing. Even if you skip the long or the short trade, the long trade on this one would have taken you out for about a point. And if you did go short, there's a point, a point, a point, a point. All those secondary signals, and or if you stayed with the trade off the initial signal, you could have gotten out somewhere over here. V bottom, signal long, don't really like this. It's trading counter trend into the dominant trend right here. I like the trade over here a little bit better. Probably would have taken something in here of at least a point or so, maybe break even on the second half. And this area is a continuation of the downtrend short, so I do like that. And then you can see the market stays with you short all the way. Right here, secondary signal. Right towards that little move right in here. Then we do get a small counter trend. Could have skipped that, but that would have still produced you a point and a half or so. If you left some open, break even, and or then short right here. This is all still yesterday's market. Continuation short here or add-on. Here was came in a little early yesterday on this first trade, but you can see pretty good timing on a lot of these. This was for a point, 1 and 2 points, point and a half, 1 and 2 points here. Good timing. I was pretty happy with yesterday's timing. Could have come in here, but not so sure. This here was a little bit easier. Just took an easy point out of that. Let this go. Could have came in here and come in here. Both of those areas would have been real good. Small counter trend. I did see this trade right into this level, but I did take a one quick point for a really small contract size there, just to add on for the end of the day. So this is where we were for today's session. You can see the add-on trades clearly identified by the indicator that I've got on the bottom. Continuation, the market doesn't come back against you at all on any of those. Again, a strong up market. Skip the down trade. Take the up trade. This comes about 3 ticks only against you, but then it continues in the direction of the trend very nicely. Could have skipped the down trade, take the long trade, take the long trade. But even if you did take the down trade, you could have taken a point out of that and closed the other half out at even, since it didn't have any legs to the downside. Same thing, you could have taken a small point or so out of this and maybe break even on the second half, but still the momentum was still to the upside. So that was a nice move here. It's a nice move short. This was my first trade of the day. It was bad timing. Just didn't wake up on the right side of the bed here this morning. So just a 1 tick loss, 1 point loss. Try to trade this counter trend, get filled for a point. Didn't happen. Better timing here. So after all this is I'm about break even. Really didn't do too good there, but not going to cry over it. There, if I was going short, that would have been the short. I came back into this market, came in late, minus a point, built a little position in here, took some good profit up in here before it pulled back, but the better timing would have been right here, just as it shows. But it's okay. I'm not complaining. Could have taken this here. That was a nice add-on signal here, and I did go in right here, not here. It showed me filled here, but my entry was actually right here. And then came in again for a couple more contracts right here. And then we closed it out as I scaled out over here. I was seeing 55, 56 as a potential top, but I took one more trade there. That's it.